Hey guys, thanks for being here. As we all know, latest laptops are configured with SSDs in different densities like 256 GB, 512 GB. So it is very important for us to check the benchmark performance of those since we are paying for that. In this video, we'll see how can we check the performance. So for this, open the task manager and click on the performance tab. You can see the disk on the left hand side. Click on that. You'll find the SSD details like manufacturer, model name and part number. SK Hynix is the manufacturer and BC511 is the model name and part number. You can see the write speed and read speed there in the bottom. Now let's look into the specifications. Here is the manufacturer website. In this you can see the model name BC511 and interface of this is PCI Gen 3, density 512 GB, form factor is M.22280 and the sequential read for 512 GB is 2.3 GB per second and sequential write 1 GB per second. You can also have random read, write details there. And also power consumption details there, like while reading it is 2.8 watt, but write 3 watt. So in ideal condition it is 40 milliwatt and in sleep 5 milliwatt. Let's verify the read write speed whether it is matching the spec. For doing this, we have Crystal DiskMark software. This will provide us the benchmark performance of SSD. Let's start. Click on the sequential tab there to start the process. You can find the task manager on the right hand side and the bottom you can see read write speeds. Read speed should match to 2.2 GB per second. You can see there. And write speed it has to match 1 GB per second. So it is almost matching the spec. I am satisfied with the performance. So in this way we can find out the benchmark performance of SSD. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.